We got the Hannibal Tactical MOLLE Assault Pack. So this is what it looks like without anything in it, and it's got this vibe coming down here. But this backpack is massive. It holds tons of stuff. There's lots of different compartments. So I'm going to take it off right now just to sort of give you a run through. It's very high quality, very durable. It's also very padded right there, as well as in the straps as well. So you're going to be nice and comfortable wearing this. So it's got tons of compartments. So we're going to undo that. The first thing, it's got this little patch right here. Nice American flag with the blue line in the middle to support the police. But if you want to take that off, you can just unvelcro it and put up whatever patch you want on. First thing, I'll just go through this little compartment right here. You can put whatever you want in there, maybe your phone, wallet, whatever you want in there. From here, let's come down into this area, and we will undo. Where's the zipper here? Right here. Let's undo this just to show you what's going on in here. And there's that, along with this little vibe going on right here, as well as these other little vibes in here. Then let's undo this, come into this bigger pocket right here. Can fit even more stuff right here. It's even got this little pocket where there's two vibes right here in the front, and then there's this one vibe right here. You can fit something in there. Then let's come back here into the bigger pocket, the biggest pocket actually. So as you can see, this is massive in here. You've got this compartment right in here. You've got this little strap that comes out here. You want to hold something in there. You've got this compartment that goes down to about right here. And then we've even got, you want to come back around here, and we can unzip this spot right here. So this is where you could put, like potentially you wanted to put like a water pouch, water bladder thing. You could slip it right in here. Then there's this little hole right there. You can see there's a hole right there. And then it comes out right here. And you're wearing the backpack. You could just have the little straw. You got your water. So all in all, it's just a super, super high quality. You know, it's also got these things right here. These super high quality, super durable, very comfortable to wear. 3-day backpack, holds tons of stuff. Highly recommend.